How to grow mangoes from seed.
So this is how you cut it. Carefully down a little to the side of the middle. Of course, you're gonna make sure it's a good mango.
Ooh, that looks good. Ooh, yummy.
If you're not ready to plant the mango seed immediately, you can leave it in a glass of water for a day or two. Here we have 3 different atoll mango seeds, also known as honey mango or champagne mango. Here you can see a mango pit that has actually opened a little bit by itself, but we're gonna squeeze it open gently. Just kind of pry it open. There you go. That's the mango seed inside the pit. So you want to be real careful when you cut it open. The seed kind of, you can see where it starts and see where it ends. So just cut the tip real carefully, but you gotta have a heavy hand, especially if it's a fresh seed or fresh pit. If it's hard to cut with a knife, you can try to use a pair of sharp scissors. It is not as easy as it looks. And then, once again, you got to pry it open gently so you don't hurt the seed. You can also cut down the side a little bit with the scissors or the knife from the inside. Just remember that there's a very fragile seed in there. It's coming slowly. It's a very hard shell. There it is. And you see the brown part of the pit, the seed. Sometimes it comes right off, sometimes you peel it off, or you can just leave it on. It can take some time, especially if it's a fresh pit. There you go. There you go, that's 2 pits, 2 seeds. Okay, we got the 3 seeds. This is the one that was a little bit open. You can see it's already growing a little bit outside of the seed. Just put them flat in the pot. You could do a separate pot for each or just one big pot. And then cover them with about 1 inch of soil, compost, and then you water them in. The final step is to protect them from critters. We have squirrels that like to dig up newly fresh planted pits and seeds. There we go. Look what we've spotted. This is a kit mango. Yay! The kids are going to be so excited to see this one. And it has now got a permanent tag. And we'll soon join our mango tree area. You have to have patience to be a frugal gardener, but with time, with due time. We have 4 mango seedlings growing next to our house, in between the house and the fence. 2 of them, this one in the front and one in the back, were gifts. We believe they were hidden, and the other 2 we are not sure. But this is the biggest one we have, and it's about 7 years. We just put in a bigger pot this spring. But as you can see, we've been pruning it really tight. Basically pruning it almost at every time it's put up in a shoot. Which is why it is small. These seedling mangoes have yet to give us any fruit. But in time, we are hoping that we will have an amazing harvest. We are trying to grow the trunk of the mango trees to be hardy against the frost, while we still keep them pruned small. Here in zone 9B. Here's a little mango seedling that's about 4 months old. It is now the end of October, and it is getting ready for a northeast Florida winter. We are going to keep this close to the house, and if we do have a frost coming, we'll make sure to cover it up. But our mangoes have survived outside as long as we cover them up when they're small, if we do get freezing temperatures. If you'd like to see more of these kind of videos where we show you how to grow more cool stuff from seeds and cuttings and all kinds of ways, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this a like. And don't forget, you can find more gardening tips and such at our website, daintytreetips.com.